Bitcoin prices are taking a bath today as pressure continues in all parts of the market perceived to be momentum trades. Yahoo Finance cryptocurrency reporter David Hollerith is here. David, what happened here? I thought Bitcoin was headed to 100,000 this year.
Oof, yeah. So I think typically, Ryan, when we look at these scenarios, we say something like, oh, what did like the derivative speculators do? And, right now, I think it's pretty clear that the derivatives markets were not really responsible for this crash. It looks like we're sort of following fears around, what happens with interest rates rising and how aggressive that might be this year. So most investors are looking pretty anxiously at the next Federal Reserve meeting. People say that cryptocurrency, some investors say that cryptocurrency is an uncorrelated asset. I think it's proving just as much yesterday before the crash, the correlation to the NASDAQ 100 with cryptocurrencies has like never been higher. So we really can't say this is a derivatives-led move. This is more so following on other risk-on assets. And as we've talked about before, cryptocurrencies are higher up on the risk curve than other things. You can sort of think of it like a very high risk tech stock at this point. I mean, it's sort of what we've been talking about. But in general, we've seen about 200,000 positions liquidated in the derivatives market. Now, most of the funding was led to the short side. So short sellers actually had a momentum advantage in this scenario. So we can't really say that the bullish speculators are responsible for this drop. It seems like more of a sell-off, just sort of staying with the risk-on story that's sort of happening with other markets.
David, you spend every day of your life talking to these crypto folks. Is there any sense that the selling is due for a pause in the near term?
It doesn't look like that, actually. The people I've spoken to, like as of this morning, have said essentially that they expect there will be more sell-offs. So Kraken, the cryptocurrency exchange, they put out their 2022 report sort of forecasting the bull and bear case. And of course, the bull case is above $100,000, but the bear case is at $26,000. So there's an expectation that during this sell-off, we could see things drop further, even at least below $35,000. So it's really hard to tell. The selling's definitely not over at this point.
Well, as I said, headed into break, oof, the selling continues here. Yahoo Finance cryptocurrency reporter David Hollerith, good to see you.